vibe. We're there in the place. You know what time it is. There's no more games. Yeah, the Premiership is done. The games are done. You know what I'm saying? We're there, Kingston. Look out for the journey, people. You know how the thing go, man. When the dear things are gone. Shadow! He's there. Oi, oi. People, we reached Jamaica. This is my little car. Alright, I've got to drive 2.5 hours to Portland now. It's the first time I've ever drove in Jamaica. I'm not sure about this, people. Yeah, it's the first time I've ever drove in Jamaica. Well, not drove in Jamaica, but properly, like on the far properly. But yeah, I've got a 2-hour mission. Boy, we're gonna see what happens along the way. Hoy! Let's go, people. Righty, people. So I've reached about an hour away. I had to stop and have a little leak. But yeah, man, Jamaica, we're there, fully active. Are we or aren't? Dog. Yeah, people. To the beach right there. I think we're in Anato Bay right now. But yeah, let's keep it moving. Jeez, we still ain't reached, people. Oh, you can hear it. Hi. Right, people, we're there, Jamaica. This is where it all begins. This is where it all begins. As you can see, a little look tonight. Don't worry, man, you're gonna get a big episode on Sunday. This is just the introduction. Oi, oi. Up the vehicle. We're here, people. Look at this. Yeah, man. Oh, people, we're there. We are there. That is it. Look at the view. Ah, look at that, people. You're going to see that in the morning. Clear as day. Portland, we're there. Oh, what? Jerk pan. Bumbleclot. This is the kitchen, people. Not that we're going to be cooking in it. Yeah, lovely little place. Look at this. Nice, man. Little breakfast table and that. Max there, ready to work. Good vibes. The front room. Yeah. And the veranda. Listen to the noise of Jamaica, people. We're outside. Fully hear that. Yes, people, we reach. See me? Eyes ain't there.
That's up things, whatever that is.
Fully.
No rough things, you know what love.
See me?
YJB, one camp.
One camp.
One stop.
I don't believe in. That is it, people. We're active, man. Cook and vibe. We've done them other things that we're there, man. Oh, he's chilling out now, people. Little Jamaican cigarette before I edit tonight's episode. So that's the whole of Portland there. You know what I'm saying? A good vibes, people. Go easy for a minute. Hoy, people, don't forget to press that like button and subscribe. Otherwise, your fingernails will go rusty and crusty and fall off. Good morning, Cook and Vibe. Yes, that is it. Lovely. We're awake. It's a new day. It's a new... You know what I'm saying, people? Oh, lovely. We've woken up in the morning, feeling a little bit better. This right here, people, is a breadfruit tree. That's a breadfruit tree. Banana trees. Exciting things we're going to discover and see what we got around here. Oh, look at this, people. When you get down here, lovely little view, man. Welcome to Cook and Vibe. Welcome to season 10. Yeah? Season 10, people. Cook and Vibe. We're outside fully. Oh, we've got coconut tree. Oh, banana tree. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, man. deep in forest. Look at that. Good vibes, people. What's this?
Almond.
Almond, yeah. No, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what that is.
The tree's right there.
No, I don't think that's an almond tree. That's not an almond tree. I'm not sure what that is, people. We'll find out. Look pon views, people. Look at that, man. Oh, outside. Cook and vibe. These lot. Oh my, look, she's here. Bezel's here. Bezel.
I have no makeup on, Bezel.
It's all right. Show them what you look like without makeup. Bezel's here. That's Trezel.
Hey guys.
Bezel and Trezel are in the building, people. Hey, look at Poppy Dog.
Look at his face show. I can't handle it. Look at him. What?
People, fruits,
Jimmy
morning
fruits,
time. You know what I'm saying?
Yes,
That's
to
how we
be.
got to do it in Jamaica.
Yeah.
We say, be a fresh fruit there, the bit, you know.
Everything fresh.
Yeah?
Fresh
You see it there?
Everything fresh.
Be a papaya there.
You know you have to go inside.
So, people, early morning time, we're going to get some fruits, then we're going to get some more breakfast, and then we're going to wrap up the kind of episode from there. Do you know what I mean? And then Sunday. Welcome to Jam Rock. Morning time. The girls want some soup, so we're gonna go and look for some soup. But you can't reach to Jamaica and not eat fruit straight away. We got papaya, we got grapes, we got pineapple, watermelon. A good vibe. Good way to start the day, people. Why oi? Patty tea this morning, people. You know what I'm saying? Why oi? My breakfast, people. Patty, hominy corn porridge. So this is cornmeal and hominy corn. So hominy is when they put the actual bits of sweet corn in the porridge. So if you see, there's like lumps of actual sweet corn in there as well. It smells really sweet and nice. This is the first time I'm trying hominy and cornmeal porridge. Like I say, it's got actual bits of sweet corn in it. I'm used to the cornmeal and stuff like that, but it's nice. It's got that sweetness, that sweet niceness to it, but that hominy corn is like the different flavour in there, like the sweet corn. Sounds a bit mad, but it works. Why? Good vibes, people. So yeah, got a little bit of time to talk. Welcome to season 10. Do you know what I'm saying? We're outside fully. You know what I'm saying? People, leave a comment in the comment section if you want to see me going anywhere, or certain things you want to see, or certain food you want to see. Let me know and we will make it happen for you. Do you know what I'm saying? We're out here. We're going to be linking up with some people out here. Big up Jamaica Walk By TV. We're going to try and link him. Ras Kitchen, obviously, we're going to try and link Ras Kitchen. Jamaica Food Boss, we're going to try and link him. Sunrise TV, we're going to try and link him. Colas, we're going to try and link him as well. There's a load of people we're going to be linking, people. So you're going to see in this season, you're going to see like a whole side of like, let's change the dynamics. That's the one thing about Jamaica, man. There's beautiful scenery everywhere. So it's gonna be a little bit different this season. You are gonna see a lot of music. Yeah, you're gonna see. I don't know what's going on down there. You're gonna see a lot of music in this one, a lot of vlogs and stuff like that. But yeah, it's gonna be wicked cooking vibes. Look at that, people, man. We're right up in the hills. Beautiful. But like I say, it's going to be a mix between music and cooking. We're linking up all the main players. You know what I'm saying? Our good vibes, people. I will see you on the next episode for a proper episode. This one's kind of just like getting just like a preparation. That for no say man's in the place. We are build up the thing now, people. Oh, it's Cook and Vibe. M.R. You're the vibers. Don't forget to press that subscribe button. Press that notification bell because you do not want to miss nothing this season. Let's go. That's it for season 10, episode 1, people. Quick one, introduction to Jamaica. First time I ever drove. I'll be very, very lying to you if I say I weren't nervous last night. But we done it. And we're outside. Our good vibes, people. So, love you lot, man. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you on the next video on Sunday. Big one Sunday, don't worry. Why? Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where I go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Oi, this week's big up section, people. I just want to big up everyone. Yeah, I want to big up everybody on this. See, just everyone that's been there. This is celebration, people. We're in season 10. Do you know what I'm saying? So I just want to big up everyone who's been there from the start. You know who you are, who feels it, knows it. Do you know what I'm saying? If you know that I'm talking to you, then I am talking to you. You've been there from the start, and I love you, and I appreciate you. Do you know what I'm saying? We are on the mission, people. Now it's time to lift up everything. It's season 10. It's going to be a completely different thing. I've got some microphones and stuff, and I've got some new equipment. I've just kind of chucked this episode together quickly to give you guys something just to start off the season. But I've got some new equipment and stuff. And with all that new equipment and stuff, you're going to be getting a lot more better episodes. You get me? Up and coming production soon forward as well. Better things are going on, people. So yeah, man, I hope you enjoy this season. Stay locked. I'll see you soon. Oi, oi.